Have you ever wondered if Tide is a prepaid bank? It's a question that's been popping up more and more in online forums and social media groups. Today, we're diving deep into this topic to uncover the truth. What is Tide? Tide is a fintech startup that offers business banking services. It's designed to cater specifically to the needs of small businesses and freelancers. But is it a prepaid bank? Prepaid Banks Explained. Before we answer that question, let's quickly define what a prepaid bank is. A prepaid bank is a type of financial institution that issues prepaid cards. These cards are loaded with a specific amount of money up front, and you can use them for purchases like a traditional debit card. Is Tide a prepaid bank? Analyzing Tide services, Tide offers a range of services, including business accounts, debit cards, and payment processing. While it does provide a debit card, it's not a prepaid card in the traditional sense. Key differences. Funding. Unlike prepaid cards, Tide accounts can be funded through bank transfers, direct debits, and card payments. This gives you more flexibility in managing your finances. Features. Tide offers additional features that prepaid cards often lack, such as invoicing, expense tracking, and integration with accounting software. Regulations. Tide is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, ensuring that it complies with strict financial regulations. Tide's unique approach. Tailored for businesses, Tide has been designed specifically to meet the needs of small businesses and freelancers. Its features and services are tailored to help you manage your finances efficiently and effectively. Competitive pricing. Tide offers competitive pricing compared to traditional banks, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to reduce their banking costs. Customer support. Tide provides excellent customer support, ensuring that you have access to help when you need it. So, is Tide a prepaid bank? Based on our analysis, we can confidently say that no, Tide is not a prepaid bank. It's a full-fledged business banking platform that offers a range of features and services that go far beyond what a prepaid card can provide. Why choose Tide? If you're a small business owner or freelancer looking for a convenient and affordable banking solution, Tide is definitely worth considering. Its tailored features, competitive pricing, and excellent customer support make it a compelling choice. Want to learn more about Tide? Visit their website or check out their social media channels for more information. Have you used Tide? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.